Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will have idea about Article 15. Before moving towards the Article 15, we will have that idea what is Article 14 is. Okay. So basically, to understand Article 14, we will have to understand that what is equality before law and equal protection of law. So first we will understand equality before law. So equality before law basically is a British concept which talks about there is a no existence of discrimination. It means that a state will not discriminate with anybody, whether he is a poor, whether he is a rich. Okay. uh, so uh, Equality before law, in simple words we can say that no discrimination, only and only equality. Everyone will be equal, everyone will be treated in equal manner, our society will be equal. Okay. If you are having 5 kg rations in a month, so who is rich will also be given to 5 kg rice. Okay. So no discrimination, everyone will be treated equally, whether it is a president or a aam janta or a normal people. So in simple words we can say that in the eyes of constitution, according to the equality before law, everyone is equal, whether it is a prime minister of India, whether it is a aam janta. Okay. So let's move forward and to understand about equal protection of law. So equal protection of law basically it is a American concept, and it talks about positive discrimination. What is positive discrimination? So basically positive discrimination means if some sections of the society is downtrodden, so that will be uplifted by the state. When state will try to uplift the lower sections of the society, so that will be positive discrimination. Okay. And it is also the duty of the state to uplift the lower sections of society, because DPSP is also mandatory for our constitution. Okay. So basically it is a concept of compartmentalization means, like, see, when compartmentalization means the compart of the OBC will be different from the compartment of the SC, ST or general. So everyone will be treated in not equal manner but in the equal circumstances. Okay. He will be treated equally in their category. Like, say you are let's say you are like SC and I am OBC. So I will be treated equally in OBC category, but you will be also treated in and you also treated will be equal in the SC category. Okay. So it talks about compartmentalization. Everyone will be treated in their compart equally. There is a thin line between equality before law and equal protection of law. We can say that reservation is totally a result of the equal protection of law, because state provide us reservation because of the idea of the equal protection of law. Okay. Sometimes general is not getting reservation, and OBC is getting more reservation, SC is getting reservation. So this is the basically result of the outcome of the equal protection of law. Okay, so Article 14 basically talks about state will not deny equal protection of law and equality before law. I think it is clear now. So I think we need to move forward and catch up the Article 15. So Article 15 talks about. So let's have a broad idea about Article 15. Okay. So Article 15 talks about prohibition of the discrimination on the grounds of religion, caste, race, place of birth, sex. Okay, so I think we need to bifurcate and elaborate this. So we will have all clauses of Article 15 one by one. Okay, so first understand Article 15 clause 1, what it basically talks about. So Article 15 clause 1 talks about a state will not discriminate with anybody on the basis of religion, caste, race, sex and place of birth. Okay, in simple words we can say that you are a Hindu or Muslim or Sikh, it will not be like that something is given to you and I will not be provided. It is not the case. Everyone will be treated equally, whether it is a female or male, whether he is born in Mumbai or Bihar. So in simple words we can say that no discrimination, there is no existence of the discrimination, only equality. Okay, got it? Article 15 clause 1 talks about no discrimination. Okay, let's move forward. So Article 15 clause 2 basically talks about on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth, no one will be prohibited to access the mall, public restaurant, hotels, public place of entertainment or the wells in and he will not be prohibited the use of the wells. Okay, in ancient time it was a big case that lower sections of the society was not allowed to use the wells in the village. So keeping in that mind, our constitution makers came with the idea that no one will be discriminated, no one should be discriminated. So that's why they came with the idea of Article 15 clause 2. Okay, so Article 15 clause 2 in simple words we can say that it is talks about no one will be discriminated on the public property. I'm not talking about private property, only public property. Or we can say that anything which is funded by state or works for the government, so on that place no one will be discriminated, no one will be prohibited to access. Okay, got it? So I think we need to move forward. Article 15 clause 3. So Article 15 clause 3 basically talks about in this article, okay, in this article, it means in Article 15, in this article nothing will stop a state to make any special law about children or women. In simple words we can say that if a state is making any special law for the women and children, so no one article will be able to stop this, because state has a right, according to the article 15 clause 3, that he can make the laws uh, about the safety of the women and children. Okay, got it? I think you got it now. So let's move forward and catch article 15 clause 4. Article 15 clause 4 basically talks about a state will not be stopped by any article to make the special laws for SC, ST and downtrodden of the society. In simple words, we can say that if a state thinks that for this special section of the society any law should be created, so they can create, and no any article will be able to stop this, and nothing will be able to stop this, because he has a duty to uplift the lower sections of the society, and he also has the duty to implement the DPSP. So that's why he can come with the idea of any special laws for the good, for the good of SC, ST, OBC. Okay, so just take it as a easy way. Okay, article 15 clause 4 basically talks about if government is making any law with regard to the good for the SC, STs, so nothing will be able to stop this. He can make the laws. So I think let's summarize it. What is article 15? So article 15 talks about prohibition of the discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, place of birth, sex. Okay, and article 15 clause first talks about no one will be discriminated by the state on the grounds of 5 terms: religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. And when we move forward, so we will see that article 15 clause 2 talks about no one will be prohibited to access the public place like a hospital, mall, okay, entertainment place. So everywhere he will be treated equally and he will not be discriminated. Okay, and article 15.3 talks about good for the women and children, because state is always concerned about the women and children, so they can basically came with the any special law for the privilege of the women and children. Okay, and article 14 clause 4 talks about state can make any laws for the good of the SC, ST and other section of the other lower sections of the society. So I think you got it now. So thank you for watching this video, and I would like to wish you a very holy happy in advance, and just celebrate the Holi with joy. Okay, and Holi is not only about the color, it's also having with the love, care and emotions. So let's color each other and celebrate Holi with the fully enjoy. Okay, thank you.